Good morning! I will be getting ready. Pupunta kami sa Semaphore again. Magla-lunch kami kasama yung mga friends ni Dan. Kasi supposedly, nung nagpunta kami sa show nung last weekend, sila sana yung kasama namin. I've been loving this foundation. I used it yesterday nung nagpunta kami sa birthday party ng anak ng kambal niya. And then, yeah, I'm gonna use it again today because I really like it. Na-blend ko na yung foundation ko. Diba, parang wala lang. Very thin layer lang din kasi yung in-apply ko. Gamit ko yung aking Real Techniques. Iti-test ko yung dito ko. So, mag-film ako na, i-film ko yung makeup ko na gagamitin ko yung setup ko and see kung okay siya. I'm doing my makeup here, you guys. Ito yung lighting ko. Okay lang, diba? Okay lang? Please let me know below. And, yeah, I'm drinking my coffee. And gustong-gusto ko yung coffee. Nilagyan ko siya na milk. Kasi, yun yung sabi ng mama ni Dan. Actually, someone commented din na maglagay din ako ng milk. Yeah, so salamat sa nagsabi noon. I appreciate it. Hindi pa ako nakaka-reply sa mga comments sa video ko ng Friday at saka nung kahapon. Kasi Friday, Saturday, Sunday, day off ko. Day off ko. May day off. Kasi diba, pahinga muna sa pag-reply ng mga comments. And kapag may giveaway yung video ko, hindi ako nagre-reply para hindi ma-count sa, like, you know, random picker yung comment ko. Pero kapag may nakita ko mga tanong sa comments tapos gusto kong i-address, I will just mention it sa vlogs. So, yeah, like, merong nagsabi, anong ganap ng filming room ko? Ito na. Okay na pala yung lighting ko. Hindi ako bumili ng ring light kasi sabi ko, bibili ba talaga ako ng ring light? Kailangan ko ba talaga ng ring light? And ang mahal ng ring light. So, sabi ko, hindi na lang. I'm just gonna work with what I have. And iniba ko na lang yung setup. Hindi na, like, paharap kasi annoying yung lights na nakikita sa mirror. So, pinagilid ko na lang siya. And I think it's okay, right? I mean, let me know below, you guys. Kasi ito yung video na, oh my gosh! Meron ako sasabihin sa inyo! My goodness! Final na meron akong giveaway na partner ko yung Sephora. Like, sila yung magbibigay ng... you guys, this is so freaking exciting. And alam ko, nasabi ko sa previous vlog ko na hindi ko ilalagay sa title yung giveaway. But this one, I have to. Kasi hindi naman siya like akin na giveaway. Yung Sephora yung mag-ano. So, kailangan ko ilagay sa title. Huwag niyo ako awayin ha. Baka sabihin niyo ha, huwag niyo naman akong awayin please. Kasi kung akin lang yung giveaway, hindi ko siya i-announce. Pero kapag may partner ako na ibang ano, like nung Jordan na watch, nilagay ko yung giveaway sa title kasi hindi naman akin lang yung giveaway na yun. Kailangan ko siya ilagay sa title. And meron din nagtatanong kung sino yung winner sa Jordan watch na giveaway. I did ask them kung sino nanalo but hindi na nila alam kung sino. Kasi sobrang dami daw nila na hinost na giveaway. So hindi niya alam kasi ano siya, parang automatic Churva, generated, automatic, whatever. Yun yung sabi. So, hindi na niya daw makuha yung information. But, nasend niya na daw sa email ng tao yung gift card. Kung sino man nanalo, please let us know. Kasi hindi ko din alam. And I know na Jordan is legit. Kasi, ang mamahal ng ano nila, diba? Ang mamahal ng watches nila, like, hindi sila scam or whatever. Ang tagal na din nun. Kung sino man nanalo, please let us know. I would love to know para ma-congratulate din kita. Kung ayaw mag-comment, dahil congratulations na lang sa'yo, o, diba? Okay, tatapusin ko lang ang aking fest kasi I think I have only 20 minutes left. Bye.
Capsicums.
I'm so sorry, my love.
With some...
Spinach, yeah. Hello! Kakarating lang namin. Nagpunta kami sa shops para mamili ng grocery para sa aming dinner this week. And ipapakita ko sa inyo. Hindi ako naka-vlog kanina kasi naiwan ko yung camera. Naiwan ko yung camera sa kotse. Bumili kami ng spinach para sa kanyang lunch. And then ito, kasi magluluto ako ng beans one night for dinner. And then capsicum. Hindi capsicum yung lunch niya next week. Pero, ang gaganda ng capsicum, you guys. Ang gaganda. Sabi niya, bilhin lang natin kasi, oh, perfect yung shape para sa, yung capsicum recipe ko. Like, look at that! Perfect talaga yung shape niya. Hindi talaga mahuhulog ang egg nito. Diba? Bongga. So, sabi niya, bili ka na ng dalawa. Kasi, baka wala kang maisip na dinner one night. And yun na lang yung i-dinner natin. Paborito niya yun. Na-try niyo na ba? Kung hindi niyo pa na-try, try niyo. And then, we got cheddar cheese para sa Filipino spaghetti spaghetti Filipino style na lulutuin ko one night. And then, merong mushroom para sa kanyang lunch. And then this one, chicken breast para sa kanyang lunch. I need to cook it tonight. Yung lunch niya is rice, paper roll, na lalagyan ko ng cucumber, carrots, tapos yung chicken, and then capsicum, and then lalagyan ko din siya ng mushroom. And then this one, hot dogs, yung red na hot dog para sa spaghetti. Yummers! And then ito, ay! Shit balls. Ito, spaghetti. Yum. Pork, minced pork para sa spaghetti. And then, ito, pork para sa beans. So, ikakat ko lang ito into pieces. And my outfit nga pala, this one is from Shein. Yes, and then this top is from Supre. Tinay ko siya dito kasi mahaba siya. And then my jeans is from, saan pa ito galing? Lee ata? Wait, hindi ko makita. Parang Lee ata siya. Yung merong, ano dito, zipper. Hindi nyo makita, pero meron siyang zipper sa loob. Yung dalawa meron. And then, yung bag na gamit ko today is ito, yung binigay ni Dan. Matagal ko na din ito hindi nagagamit. And yeah, hindi ko kasi feel mag-backpack today, so ito na lang. Maganda yung weather. Sun is out. So, I hope it stays that way. Kasi sa semaphore, malamig, windy dun. So, sana okay lang tong suot ko. I did wear a singlet. Ooh, ano yan? I hate these. Yung mga ganito. Yeah, nagsuot lang ako ng singlet kasi baka nga malamig. Para naman may extra ano ako. And then this choker, yung binigay sa akin ni Kat from Levisa, yung naked nude na choker. Anyway, that's it. Ligpitin ko lang tong mga to. And then aalis na siguro kami in 10 minutes. I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. We will go to Semaphore. Magla-lunch kami doon. I hope okay na tong ano ko. I did bring a coat. Not a coat, like a thick jacket. And then, yeah, sana hindi sobrang lamig doon. Kasi sila nagdala din siya ng jacket. So, nagdala na rin ako. Kasi baka lamigin ako. Yeah, pupunta kami doon. Not to catch Pokemon. But to catch up with our friends. With, yeah, our friends.
Yeah, friends.
His friends.
Yeah, my friends are your friends.
Our friends. Your friend is my friend. Anong title ng kantang yun, guys? Yung kinanta ko kanina. I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Ganda ng kantang yun. I have, Becca highlighter. Becca highlighter yung suot ko ngayon, diba? Nice. And then my lips, Dopey na lip liner. Just, yun lang. Dopey lip liner lang. We're here, right, babe?
Almost.
Are we here? Oh, is it Semaphore?
Yeah, after that bridge, remember?
Yes, we're here. Sana magstay ng ganito yung weather because it looks really nice. Sun is out. Don't hide again. So yung pupuntahan namin na, is it a hotel, babe?
Pub.
A pub? Okay.
Hotel pub, same thing.
Yeah. Pupunta kami sa hotel pub na kids friendly kasi dadalhin ng best friend niya yung mga anak nila. So, meron siyang boy and a girl. They're so cute. Can I vlog there? I don't know.
You don't probably don't want to.
Yeah. Look at that. Lapit na daw kami. Diyan kami pupunta. Exeter? Exeter. Ito na, hanap ng parking. Good luck. Maraming tao dito sa Semaphore kapag ano, weekends. Kasi ng Pokemon. Dami daw kasi Pokemon dito. Nandito daw kasi si Pikachu. Are we parking here?
Yep.
Are you allowed to park here?
Yep.
Are you sure?
I'm Christian, I can park here.
Dito kami nakapark sa church. Private parking to. We're heading back. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Actually, nakapag-ice cream na din kami. So, pumunta kami doon. Naglakad kami all the way there. Nag-ice cream. Tapos balik na naman dito. Kasi dito kami nakapark. Hindi na kami nag-car kanina. Nilakad lang namin kanina. Sarap ng ice cream. What's the ice cream place called?
Copenhagen.
What?
Copenhagen.
Copenhagen?
Yeah, like the place.
Copenhagen. I had cappuccino. It was so good. I like it. Tapos meron pa silang free topping, churvalu. So that happened. And now, pupunta kami sa bahay ni Carl. Sa bahay ng ano niya, friend niya. Kasi kakalipat lang nila. And yeah, basta lang namin i-check yung bago nilang bahay. So we'll see. Yung mata ko pula na naman. Oh, actually, not bad. Yung foundation ko nandito pa rin. Bongga pa rin yung foundation. It's actually hot today. Mainit. Sun is out. So yeah, yung foundation, it's still here. Still looking good. Yes. Do you know where to go?
That's what I'm just trying to work out.
Okay. Meron tayong kasabay na train. Ewan ko kung saan yan pupunta, but yeah. Hindi naman siya ganun kahaba. Parang malaking uod. Kaluka tong train na to. Ganda. Where is it going, baby, no?
I'll probably take you back to the city.
Oh, okay. So they have a train, a bus, taxi. What else do you have here?
Tram?
A tram? Yeah, you do. Just in the city though, right?
No, it goes with a bit of Paddy Glenelg as well.
Oh, okay. I like this song. Massage. Look at this. What do you call this, babe? Banana milkshake? Banana milkshake ala Mr. Bear. Maliit lang na glass yung akin. I'm editing my vlog because it needs to be up tomorrow. And hindi kami magdi-dinner. Hindi kami magdi-dinner tonight kasi busong-busong. Sobrang busog pa namin. We had late lunch. Tapos after ng lunch, nag-ice cream pa kami. So sabi niya, magmi-milkshake na lang daw kami. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa niya dito. I think banana, milk. Did you add cinnamon to this, babe? Cinnamon? Cinnamon sugar actually. I think I'm gonna have chichirya later on. Kasi alam ko gugutumin ako mamaya. Pero depende. Tatapusin ko muna tong edit bago ako kumain. That's good. Thank you. Hello! Lulutuin ko yung lunch na Dan. So, meron ng mantika dito. Ilalagay ko lang yung onions. Nandun na yung onion. Tapos, chicken. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Tapos, ilalagay ko yung chicken after. And then, meron din ako ditong mushroom. Tsaka capsicum. Yan para yan sa next time na yan. Gustong-gusto ko to, oh. Ano siya, lalagyan siya ng kahit na gusto mo. Kasi baliktad. Wait. There you go. Diba? Ang ganda. Pwede mo ilagay dyan kung ano yung mga ano mo. Ano ba yan? Leftover na. Basta. Dyan. Wait. Yung ano ko. Yung aking onion. So, lulutuin ko lang yung chicken, tsaka yung capsicum kasi prefer niya na luto yung capsicum. Ayaw niya na hilaw yung capsicum. Pero yung carrots at tsaka yung cucumber, hindi ko sila lulutuin. Of course. Pero, yeah, bukas ko na sila i-assemble. Charot. Lutuin ko lang to. Yan. Naluto ko na siya. Ilalagay ko lang to sa container. Tapos, na-slice ko na din yung carrots at saka cucumber. Ilalagay ko na din yan sa... Ilalagay ko to sa fridge. And then, ilalagay ko sa container. Ilalagay ko din sa fridge. Good morning! I'm watching Laura in the kitchen. I'm having my coffee. And you guys, meron akong whipped cream. Kasi, ang tagal na ng whipped cream sa sa fridge. Na nandun pa yun nung ginawa namin ni Dan yung Bean Boozled Challenge Level Up. Pero I did check the expiration date. Matagal naman siya mag-expire. 2017. So, yeah, I'm gonna start adding whipped cream to my coffee na kasi parang uus yung whipped cream namin. Sayang naman kasi. And then, I will have my nice biscuits. Ano siya? Nice siya. Hindi siya nice. Diba sabi sa akin na Dan, nice yung pag-pronounce. Sabi niya, he was just kidding. Sabi niya, hindi daw niya alam kung paano i-pronounce yun. Kaloka, ilang beses ko na sinabi sa video ko na nice. Tapos, nagbibiro lang pala yung kaloka to si Dan. Minsan kasi, lagi siya nagbibiro. Pero ang galing niya magbiro na parang minsan kala mo totoo. Pero yeah, nice pala talaga yung pag-pronounce. Sabi niya, akala ko hindi ka maniniwala kasi nice naman talaga yung pagbasa ng ganyan. Ayoko talaga yung mga ganito. I did laundry. Nag-start ako early kasi sobrang dami. I think I'm gonna do 4 or 5 loads kasi kailangan kong i-launder yung towels. Schedule ko Mondays yung towels at saka yung bed sheets. So, yeah, I'm doing that. And kailangan ko pantupiin yung mga para may masampayan na naman ako ng mga bago. Yes! Ang linis na! Tapos na ako, grabe. Natagalan ako maglinis today, ah. I will cook, sardinas with egg. Patay, may egg ba kami? Hindi kasi kami bumili ng egg. Mag-grocery kami. Meron ba? May isa. Oh, marami pala. Marami pala. Okay. Yung kasama ni Dan sa trabaho, meron siyang farm. So, laging bumibili si Dan sa kanya kasi farm fresh daw yung mga egg niya. So, yeah. Yun. Magluluto lang ako ng sardinas with egg kasi sobrang tagal ko na hindi nakakain yan. You guys, yummers, yummers, yummers. Ganito yung gusto ko sa aking sardinas with egg, dry. And yeah, ang dami kong pagkain, ang dami kong rice. As in, sobra. Tapos ito, isang egg, tsaka isang sardinas, di ba? Ang dami nun. Nandyan sila lahat. I will do my best to finish this. I'm not sure if I can, but I will do my best kasi I'm starving, Marvin. Yung niluto ko na rice, isang cup lang na rice. And gusto ko siya ubusan kasi hindi kami magra-rice mamaya. Magsa-spaghetti ako. Yung Filipino style spaghetti. So, yan yung ganap maya. This roast though, alive na alive pa rin yung roast, you guys. How many days? Ilang araw na ba ito? Sorry, babe?
Last Thursday.
Oh yeah, you got me this on Thursday. And hanggang ngayon, tignan nyo! Cute! Still alive and kicking. Can I, I'll take the plastic off. Can I?
Yeah,
I will.
you have a heater on today?
Sorry?
You have a heater on today?
No, not at all.
Turn it on.
It's really cold, but I ironed your shirt because I was moving as well because I was cleaning.
Cool. Anything about it, eh?
You didn't notice? I cleaned. Of course I cleaned. Scissor, please. Yay. Oh, diba? Diyan ka lang. Mas maganda siya kapag walang plastic. Sana magtagal pa siyang ganito. Cute naman niya. Hindi siya namamatay. I mean, I'm sure mamamatay to, pero ayun niya mag-focus.
It's recording. Put it to the side then. Just move it and take it off for a sec. Just put it.
I'm cooking spaghetti, Filipino style. That was so dangerous right there, you see it? I was like... yeah, okay. So, nandun na yung onion at saka... Nandun na yung onion at saka garlic. And then, ilalagay mo na itong pork. Baka may papel na naman. Ayun, yung papel. You know what papel is?
What is it?
Paper. Say papel.
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 Papel. So, iba-brown mo lang to. Char. Yung pinapalo ko na recipe is yung panlasang Pinoy recipe. So, sinerch ko lang Filipino style spaghetti. I'm just gonna brown this and then put, I actually do not know what's next. Nalagay ko na yung hotdog and then parang lulutuin lang namin yung hotdog. After that, ilalagay ko yung spaghetti sauce and then ito na yung beef stock namin tsaka na. So, ito lang gamit ko. Beef na parang siya, powdered churba. Tapos nilagyan ko lang ng tubig. So, ito na lang yung aking beef stock. And then, yeah, lulutuin namin yung spaghetti. Maya-maya lang. Tapos na yung sauce, you guys. Ang yummers ng sauce. Grabe. Hindi dahil sa ako yung nagluto, pero siguro sa lahat ng naluto ko na Filipino style na spaghetti, ito, sauce pa naman yung na-try ko. Pero yeah, diba? Sauce naman talaga yung importante. Yung pasta ko, still cooking. Yung sinasabi ko is sa lahat, bakit pula? Sa lahat ng naluto ko na spaghetti sauce na Filipino style, yan yung masarap so far. Or siguro dahil na-miss ko lang. When was the last time I had it? Ay, hindi pala ganun katagal. Kasi one time nagluto si Kat para sa amin ng Filipino style. So, hindi pala ganun katagal. Iniisip ko kasi kanina, yung last time was nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako. Pero hindi. Pero yeah, nalapit na maluto. Hihintayin ko lang na maluto yung pasta. And then after that, kakain na kami. So, kain tayo. I will vlog. Do you have anything to say? No? Good night? Okay, I'll just stay right here then. You know, babe, it's been when was the last time you said goodnight in my vlog? When was the last time? See, you don't even remember. It was forever ago. Why are you hiding from them? You don't like my viewers? Stop, no, okay. You don't like my viewers, babe? You don't like them? You hate them?
Of course I like your viewers. Let me watch TV.
It's commercial break. It's commercial break. Good night. They can see you. Oh, you look so guapo, babe. Look at you.
Let me watch TV, babe.
It's commercial break.
I like the commercials.
You don't like the commercial
I like
break?
the commercials.
No. Okay, I'm gonna say goodnight. Anyway, I will close my vlog. Katatapos ko lang mag-edit ng video. It needs to be up tomorrow. It's a review of the Too Faced foundation. And then bukas, I will film a video. It's gonna be a makeup look. Ha? Matagal-tagal na din ako na hindi nakapag-film na makeup look. I will close my vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget. Yay! You're in my vlog! Babe, you're in my vlog. Good night! Bye!